Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel of Kanak Infosystem. In account reports, there are many filters available. For example, in profit and loss, we can get date, comparison, generals, options, etc. But for some reason or for some condition, we can also need filter for salesman. Here there is all salesmen available in the company. According to this, we can get data filter according to salesman. We can see this. So this is a custom filter which is added using a custom module named as Salesman Filter. Salesman Filter. This is custom module which is used to add a custom filter named as Salesman Filter. In every report we can see this Salesman Filter which will convert the data according to salesman available here. You can buy this module from App Store. Thank you.